Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic autophagy. If you guys want to learn more about the cell, its structure and its functions, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic autophagy. The word autophagy means to eat oneself. Here, these lysosomes play a major role in this process. Here, in this process, these worn out cellular organelles, you can see in this figure, these are the worn out cellular organelles that are being digested with the help of lysosomes. Here, these worn out cellular organelles, you can see these worn out cellular organelles, these are being transferred towards these lysosomes by a double membraneous structure, and that double membraneous structure is known as autophagosome. Here you can see in this figure, these are the worn out cellular organelles. Soon autophagosome forms, and these autophagosomes are transferring these worn out cellular organelles. Soon, lysosomes will fuse with this autophagosome, and eventually this lysosome will release its hydrolytic enzymes. And these hydrolytic enzymes will digest these worn out cellular organelles. At last, which will give rise to amino acids, glucose, and phosphates. And these essential nutrients such as these amino acids, glucose, and phosphates, which are derived from this digestion of these worn out cellular organelles, are then transferred to the cytoplasm. So what's the use of this autophagy process? This autophagy process is a key mechanism for tissue development, especially when the nutrients are scarce, and thus it helps in maintaining this homeostasis. So that covers the topic autophagy. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.